Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I thought I'd film something a bit different. Down with my parents today, and my old man, I don't know if I've said before on Instagram, but my old man is building, or my dad as much, is building a hot rod basically from scratch. You can just about see it here in the background. So just thought I'd give you guys a bit of an update on it. It's currently not really running because it hasn't got any of the fluids, and it hasn't got oil and petrol and all that sort of stuff in, but it will be soon. So hopefully when it is running, I will come back down and do a full-on proper review video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, so without further ado, let's take a look around the car and talk you through a few bits and bobs. So here it is, the beast. This is a rat rod or a hot rod, I don't know what you want to refer to it as. My dad's building it at the moment. Really, really cool. So it's got a V6 engine from a Ford Capri, I believe. I think they were about 150 horsepower, which I know, it doesn't seem like a lot. But the car itself is obviously not much to it. It's pretty stripped. Probably weighs about 900 kilos, something like 950, so it should go quite well. It's all straight through, as you can see, straight through headers, so it should run pretty good. Got some really cool features on it. Got the firing order here, which is the actual firing order, so yeah, some really cool sort of details. Bonneville salt flat sticker. Interior still, dash has got to go in. You can just about sort of see the fuel gauge here and all that. Automatic, 4 gears I believe. Or was it 3? 3 gears. Yeah, it's really cool. Dad's done pretty much all the work himself. From start to finish, he's pretty handy. He's built some really awesome and pretty interesting cars over the years, sort of like Land Rovers and kit cars and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, he is pretty handy. I think it just looks awesome. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments, but I think it's pretty special. Massive, thick radiator behind here, completely new. It's about that thick. It's really thick. It's all open. Obviously it's pretty dirty at the moment, but to be fair, it's a rat rod, so I quite like the look of the whole sort of like dust and stuff. I said to him, just leave it as it is. I think it looks really cool. I believe the actual donor car, as well as engine, is based off a Reliant Scimitar. So you can, I suppose, the chassis wise, possibly engine, wheelbase and all that sort of stuff. Some cool little quirky details as well. Loads of stickers. This badge is awesome. You might find this badge online. Really old school Ford Company badge. These struts. The actual finish of the car is actually a brown paint, which is like matte finished. This actually started out as I think it was aluminium, which he then sort of sprayed, and it's now gone like a rust colour, which is really cool. Basically started rusting. Wheels is then basically painted the wheels with battery acid, and then you get that sort of really cool ratty finish. A few tricks of the trade. So obviously pop riveted the whole side of the car. Get that really sort of automotive, sort of aviation type finish on it. Yeah, so we're based on the power. So like I said, 150 horsepower, weighs about 9 kilos. Probably looking at 0 to 60 time about 7 seconds, maybe sub 7 seconds, which is still going to be pretty cool. It feels pretty quick because obviously it's all open top. These seats are amazing. One piece aluminium. Some ejection seat. Very cool. Yeah, I do like it. And then in the back here you've got the fuel tank and tools, obviously. Tools are optional, but yeah, optional stickers as well. Just fitted the rear bumper recently, so yeah, it's pretty much nearly there now. That's it, so a bit of an update on the car, where it is and the sort of build process. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like it, and please join again in the next sort of couple of weeks, months, to hopefully see it on the road and drive in and actually experience it. And yeah, so see you guys very soon. Thank you very much.